Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use container in new atomic Elementor builder. So we are using new interface, but we are going to use old container layout in new atomic builder. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So click on plus icon, flex box. So we added. Now you see this is the new layout with atomic builder, but we are going to use old container, plus icon, add element. Now you see container right here. So this is a container. Now drag and drop like this. Now edit, and when we click on edit container, now you see old layout, style, advanced. So this is old interface, and when we click on it, so this is our new interface. If you want, you can use old interface also in atomic builder. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.